Two insurance giants, one burning question: who truly protects you when it matters most? On one side, State Farm with its trusted reputation. On the other, Liberty Mutual, known for flexible coverage options. Let's cut through the commercials and see how they actually compare. Every category scores points, and by the end you'll know exactly who takes the win. And the final verdict just might catch you off guard. Just so you know what to expect, here's the mind map. We're covering price and discounts, customer service, digital experience, coverage options, and of course, financial strength. That way you'll have the whole picture before you decide. First up, let's talk about price and discounts. State Farm usually hooks you up with some pretty competitive bundled rates, and if you like that personal touch, their local agents can sometimes find you extra discounts depending on where you live. But here's the catch: the online pricing isn't super transparent, and honestly it kind of depends where you are, so discounts might change a lot. Now, Liberty Mutual. They're all about making discounts super easy to snag, especially online. Want to customize your quote or mess with options? Go for it. Oh, and here's something cool. They've got this Right Track telematics thing that actually rewards good driving. Only downside, their starting prices before any discounts can look a bit steep. Still, when it comes to price and saving on discounts, Liberty Mutual pulls ahead here. Moving on to customer service, let's start with State Farm. These guys are seriously top-rated by places like J.D. Power, especially for claims support. The local agent setup means you get that real human touch, someone you can call when things go sideways. Now, yeah, it can depend a bit on which agent you get, but overall, people are happy. Switching gears to Liberty Mutual, they have a massive digital support hub, and their 24/7 claims line definitely adds peace of mind. But honestly, the feedback about their response times can be a little, well, mixed. Some folks are super happy, others not so much. So in the service department, State Farm gets the win. Next, let's dive into the digital experience. State Farm does have a solid app, great for tracking claims or paying your bill, but if you want to make big changes to your policy, you still kinda have to call your agent. On the other hand, Liberty Mutual, their app and website are frankly just built for today. Want to tweak your coverages or make changes at 2 a.m.? Go for it, DIY all the way, which some people love. Honestly, it can feel a bit cold or impersonal if you're used to talking to a real person, but if you love tech, Liberty Mutual's experience really shines. They beat out State Farm here. Did you know State Farm is actually the largest auto insurer in the whole US? But here's something wild: Liberty Mutual, they insure over 17 million vehicles worldwide. Just puts everything into perspective, doesn't it? Coverage options is next. State Farm holds up with some pretty well-rounded protections, and stuff like rideshare and rental coverage is solid. Maybe you can't always add those quirky niche coverages, but for most drivers you're set. Liberty Mutual, though, really throws in the extras: accident forgiveness, new car replacement, and a bunch of other add-ons. Plus, you can actually get it in more places. They don't always offer flood insurance directly, so heads up if that's a biggie for you. Still, Liberty Mutual has an edge on options overall. Last but not least, let's talk about financial strength. State Farm has this almost unbeatable A++ AM Best rating, and, well, they've been leading the market for decades. That's the kind of stability you want, right? Liberty Mutual follows close behind with a solid A, and they're definitely a trusted national name. The parent company's rating is just a touch behind State Farm, which, honestly, isn't a huge deal. Unless you're super into digging through insurance ratings, you probably won't notice. Anyway, State Farm takes the crown for this one. Picture this: zooming out, you can really see where each company shines. Liberty Mutual pops on digital tools and those juicy discounts, while State Farm just crushes it with customer service and financial stability. Honestly, if you're all about having a local agent and hands-on, personalized help, especially if you want to bundle home and auto, State Farm just makes sense. But if you're comfy doing everything online, want more customization, and really care about scoring discounts, Liberty Mutual is probably going to win you over. Both are great, but think about what actually matters most for you day to day. Was this insurance matchup helpful? Make sure to follow for more side-by-side reviews and tips on choosing the right coverage.